Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here at Santa Barbara Mattress. I had shoulder surgery, no big deal. I wanted to bring up something really important. So I've been working with Spencer for almost a year now, and I've noticed, the country's going through a lot of financial turmoil. We're seeing a lot of inflation. Meanwhile, I haven't seen prices at Santa Barbara Mattress or Spencer's Ventura Mattress or at the factory go up at all. So I just wanted to ask Spencer why that is. Spencer, what's up with that? Like, what's going on? Why haven't you raised prices?
Everyone tells me to raise prices, but I understand the position that most of my clients are in. High-end customers, low-end customers, I think it's fair that we absorb our margin a little bit. In our industry, we have a pretty good margin, but that's how we stay in business and make a good living doing it. So in regards to that, that's my personal choice to keep our prices the same. There's a few things that have gone up in price though, like on a metal bed frame. Metal has gone up quite a bit.
But you don't make that.
We don't make that,
yeah.
No. But like any component like that. So we get price increases in the industry, Joe. We'll make this quick. So 6-8%. But that's for say one particular component of the bed. The whole bed doesn't go up 6 or 8%.
Right.
So we've absorbed it, and we're still doing well. Business is great, and we love it. And that's it. No.
And that's the truth of a lot of small businesses. A lot of small businesses haven't had to raise prices.
Yeah.
What you're seeing is the large conglomerate, the big corporations that are paying out their shareholders, and they're beholden to their shareholders that are raising prices. Do they really need to? That's a big question mark. We are very suspicious and doubtful of that, but we don't really know.
We don't. Yeah, but there's some restaurants. I understand the food industry is taking a hit on raising their prices.
Food prices are going up.
Yeah, so
a lot of stuff's going up.
That's hard for them to actually hold out on because it's a smaller ticket.
Totally.
There's enough profit in these beds, so there's a bigger spread for us to absorb.
And to be honest, I haven't even noticed restaurant prices going up. I've noticed grocery store prices have gone up specifically.
Right.
But I just wanted you guys to know this because if your wallet, if your budget's getting tighter and you're thinking about what should I spend on, personally, if you haven't gotten to bed in a while, spend it on a new mattress. It will do your health good. You'll sleep better. Your quality of life will be better. And while we go through financial times, you do need to be frugal and you need to be smart about what you spend.
Right.
Think about spending it on a mattress wherever you're watching this from. And if you're in the SoCal area, if you're in Santa Barbara County or Ventura County, check us out because prices have not risen.
Right.
We don't plan on raising them. We might need to a little bit, but it's nothing compared to what's happening out there. And you will definitely get good value for your dollar here. So thanks for watching.
Thank you. Thanks for that, Joe.
Thanks.
Thank you. Appreciate it.